It's Wednesday night. We're running late for church again, and I have two daughters who need their hair done in the next 5 minutes. Yesterday, I showed you the hidden half up we created for my daughter playing cello. Today, I'm showing you the companion style, the low twisted half up we did for her sister, who was accompanying her on harp for the evening hymns. Same rushed timeline, same tween styling situation, different hair type, different style. This daughter has moderate, wavy hair that has a mind of its own. The goal here is to tame the curls around her face and keep them out of the way, but not pull everything back so tight that we lose all that beautiful volume. We want her curls managed, not flattened. Let me show you what we did. Start by parting her hair however she prefers. We're doing a side part today, but you can do center if that works better for her face shape and personal style. Brush through or pick gently if needed. With curly hair, I'm not trying to brush it smooth and straight, just detangling enough to work with it. Starting at the bangs, we're doing a classic French twist down the side of her head. If you watched yesterday's tutorial, this is the same technique. Divide a small section into two pieces and twist them around each other once. Then, add a new section of hair from the head to the bottom piece and twist again. I'm always twisting toward the head. Keep moving down the side of her head. Add a section to the bottom piece, twist. Add a section, twist. Add a section, twist. We're incorporating all the hair from the side as we go, keeping those curls secure and out of her face. Continue all the way down to the nape of her neck. At this point, you've gathered all the hair from this entire side into the twist. Hold this temporarily while we work on the other side. Now repeat the exact same process on the other side. Start at the front, divide into two sections, twist and add. Work your way down the side of her head, incorporating sections as you go. All the way down to the nape of her neck, just like the first side. Now you have two twisted sections that have gathered all the hair from the sides and front. The hair at the back of her head, the crown, and the length is still loose and free. That's intentional. Bring both twisted sections together at the nape. Instead of just securing them with an elastic, we're going to braid them together once or twice. This adds a nice detail and makes the transition from twisted sides to loose curls more interesting. Take the two twisted pieces and braid them, right over middle, left over middle. Do this once or twice, then secure with a clear elastic or one that matches her hair. Leave the remaining hair unbraided. We want it loose and free, falling as a ponytail. Here's what's important. We are not gathering the hair from the base of her head into this ponytail. The hair at the crown, the hair at the very back, that's all staying loose and full. We only secured the twisted sides that came down from the front and sides of her head. This is the whole goal of this style. Tame and manage the curls around her face, but let them remain full and free at the back. See all that volume? That's what we wanted to preserve. Before we add the finishing touch, I want to mention, if these tutorials are helpful and you'd like more than just hairstyling tips, I'd love to have you join my weekly newsletter. It's where I share encouragement for mothers of daughters, wisdom on raising girls with intention, navigating the challenges of this season, and creating beauty in the everyday moments. It's free, it's from my heart, and the community of women who've joined has been such a gift. You can sign up through the link in the description or above on the screen, and I'd be honored to have you there. Now, let's finish this. Today we're finishing with a velvet fabric bow. I love velvet for styles like this because it feels elegant and special without being overly formal or fussy. Clip it right where the twisted sections meet and the braid begins. It covers the elastic and adds that touch of polish that takes this from I did my hair quickly to I did my hair with intention. And that's it. Curls tamed around her face, volume preserved in the back, finished with elegance. Done in less time than it takes to load the car. Both girls accompanied the hymns beautifully that evening, one on harp, one on cello, and their hair stayed exactly where we put it. This is what I love about understanding your daughter's specific hair type and having go-to techniques that actually work. Curly hair needs different solutions than fine, straight hair. When you know what works, even the busiest Wednesday nights become manageable. This is day 6 of 25 days of intentional elegance. Tomorrow, we're back to something completely different, a style that works for any hair type. I'll see you then. If you loved the velvet bow you saw today, everything I make is handmade and available in my shop. Link is below, and I'd be honored to create something beautiful for your daughter. Thanks for being here.